Hello, today I'll show you how to edit a comment box border using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a call out comment box and it's text box comment box. Now click on this comment box and select. I say the selected. And say this properties dialog box as a border. Here you can see as a comment box border and as border thickness. As border opacity, you can increase thickness. As border style, this one also select properties, border color, and border style, transparency. If you want, you can say it's fill color option. So, yeah. In this way, you can edit border and colors. And finally, see this file option, save or save as PDF file.